என்னோட வெப்சைட்டா?
How is it?
Very nice, very nice. அதுலயும் பச்சை சாடி, இதுலயும் பச்சை சாடி.
Dr. Srimati N. Rajam, adorned with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from the President of India, needs actually no introduction to the music lovers of our country. Actually, Dr. Rajam is such a self-effacing person. She's never been wanting any kind of limelight or publicity, or she's just herself and her music. She's so absorbed in her music all the time. But the work that she's done, her contribution to the field of music is so extraordinary, so immense that a website for her would be actually a very, very small surprise for her. It's something that what she's done cannot be really described in words.
Dr. N. Rajam, our grandmother, is one of the most highly respected musicians in our country today. She is one of the pioneers to introduce the Gaiki Ang into the world of Hindustani music. She has paved the way for how Hindustani violin sounds today, and we are blessed and honored to be her granddaughters. She has showered us with so much love, and on top of everything, more than anything, she has given us the most important knowledge of music and the beauty that it brings with it. I was just scrolling through my Instagram and I saw that Bluehost is having a Diwali giveaway, and I already had an account with Bluehost. I thought, oh, my grandmother's life is something that is worth celebrating. She's literally legendary in the field of Hindustani classical music. So I just filled in the form and submitted, and really didn't expect to get a call back. We are really happy that we are able to give her such a beautiful Diwali gift.
Yeah, definitely. In fact, it was a beautiful process because the dream finally became a reality. Nandini and me had been talking about it, we'd been thinking about it, but various things came along the way. And finally, it was this Diwali that it had to finally fructify, if I may say. It was beautiful because we had sessions with Bluehost and we had sessions with the designer, the person who developed the website also, as well as how a viewer who's coming for the first time would get to know so much of her life and of her work just through the medium of the web. Our grandmother has been celebrated not just in India but all over the world. She has a lot of foreign students also. People all over the world listen to her music. So what better medium than a website to present her life to so many people across the world who love her for her music and for who she is.
She's not somebody who believes in glorifying oneself, but I'm sure that her heart will be warmed by the gesture and she will appreciate, and the photos will definitely take her back in time. Whoever visits the website, go through her life and understand what she's been through, her achievements, just to celebrate what her life has been.
Absolutely, it was a surprise for me. I never expected any such thing. A lot of pains have been taken by these people. It has come out very beautiful. My children, my daughter, my both granddaughters, they have done a very beautiful job. It's a beautiful gift for me, Diwali gift. I will cherish it forever.
It was a privilege to build a website for Dr. Rajam, who has done so much for the Hindustani music space.
We love building websites for our clients. We love to learn about their work, their personality, and crafting an online presence for them.
We want everyone to have their own website without having to worry about how to set it up. From all of us at Bluehost, we wish you a very happy Diwali.
We wish you a very happy Diwali, and may it be as divine as Dr. Rajam's music.